Did you know that the average ballpoint pen is used for just 38 days, generating 20 kilograms of waste and enough plastic to fill a large garbage bag? The humble ballpoint pen is a staple in our daily lives, but its impact on the environment is staggering. From plastic packaging to ink cartridges, every stage of the pen's life cycle contributes to waste and pollution. However, by adopting sustainable living habits, we can significantly reduce the environmental footprint of our beloved pens. Let's start with the packaging, which is often made from plastic and cardboard. Imagine a single pen generating enough waste to fill a large garbage bag. But that's not the strangest part. Most of this waste is not biodegradable. Wait until you hear what comes next. The average ballpoint pen is used for just 38 days. For perspective, that's roughly 3 pens per person per week. It's like trying to manage a never-ending supply of plastic bags, all for a tool we use for a few weeks. The solution lies in choosing pens with sustainable packaging, made from materials like recycled paper or bamboo. Some companies are even designing pens with refillable ink cartridges, reducing waste by up to 90%. However, the production process itself is where the real environmental impact begins. The extraction of raw materials like plastic and metal contributes to greenhouse gas emissions and water pollution. But that's not all. The manufacturing process requires energy, which is often generated by fossil fuels. It's like a chain reaction of environmental harm, all triggered by our desire for convenience. The good news is that there are alternatives available, like pens made from plant-based bioplastics or recycled materials. Some companies are even using innovative production methods, like 3D printing, to reduce waste and energy consumption. For centuries, people have been seeking ways to live more sustainably, and it's time we took action. By choosing pens with sustainable production processes and reducing our consumption, we can make a real difference. So, what can you do to reduce your pen-related waste? Start by choosing pens with eco-friendly packaging and sustainable production processes. Consider switching to refillable pens or using pens made from recycled materials. Every small change adds up, and together we can create a significant impact. But that's not the only way to reduce your waste. You can also repurpose old pens and use them as plant markers or bookmarks. The possibilities are endless, and it's all about adopting a mindset of sustainability. By working together, we can create a world where our pens don't harm the environment. And then something unexpected happened. A group of entrepreneurs created a pen that's not only sustainable, but also affordable. This game-changing pen is made from a combination of recycled materials and plant-based bioplastics. It's like a breath of fresh air in a world where convenience often comes at a cost. The best part: this pen is not only good for the environment, but also for your wallet. With prices starting at just $5, it's an affordable option for anyone looking to make a change. So, what are you waiting for? Join the sustainable living movement and choose a pen that's good for you and the planet. For a limited time, use the code SUSTAIN15 at checkout to receive 15% off your first purchase. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our satisfied customers have to say. I was blown away by the quality and sustainability of this pen. It's a game changer. I've been using this pen for months, and I've already seen a significant reduction in my waste. I love that this pen is made from recycled materials. It's a great way to reduce my environmental impact. So, what are you waiting for? Order your sustainable pen today and join the movement. Subscribe for more tips and tricks on sustainable living, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. And if you'd love to feeling hear from you inspired, share this video with a friend or family member who's interested in sustainable living.
Together, we can create a world where our pens don't harm the environment, a world that's sustainable, affordable, and accessible to all.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more sustainable living tips and tricks.